Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So yeah, this is still like made by me. I just changed the channel name and like profile pic and stuff like that. But anyways, today I thought of this. So like one of my favorite operating systems, believe it or not, is Windows 8.1, and I know y'all are gonna boo me or something like that at your like at your where like wherever you guys are, like at your house or like whatever, watching this video. But look, I'm not a complete idiot. I'm actually being serious right now because my laptop here runs on a hard drive. Windows 8.1 actually like is fast on a hard drive because like it's lightweight and stuff like that. So I'm gonna attempt to install it on my HP laptop. So yeah, this actually was my brother's COVID-19 school laptop. I also have mine, but my dad uses it. But my mom used to use this, and she upgraded to like a Surface because of how slow this was. But this, you might think after I tell you the specs, it's not gonna run well, because this runs on an Intel Core i5 10th gen laptop CPU and has Iris graphics. But I tested it out and I have it on my Ventoy USB right now. So let's plug it in. So I plugged it in, and now I'm gonna hit the power button. But wait, before that, if you're wondering what laptop I'm using, it's called the HP Laptop 15, Model 15 DW 2025 CL. Long name, but that's the actual name. But anyways, I'm gonna start the power button. And then I'm gonna constantly press F9, which is my boot key. And if you're wondering what happened to those keys, I raged out on my brother and like accidentally lifted the F10 and F11 keys. Anyways, it booted. So I'm gonna select the SanDisk and I'm gonna click enter. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna actually have a part. So yeah, this is my Ventoy USB. It has Hiren's boot CD, Ubuntu, Windows 10 ISO, Windows 11 ISO, and of course Windows 8.1 ISO. And well, I'm not gonna install it in today's video because my laptop only has like 30% of battery left. And also I don't really have time because like I have a big test tomorrow because like I go to like a charter school that's um like very like intelligent kids. But anyways, out of my like personal matter, I'm not installing this today. I'm actually gonna probably make a video tomorrow and install it. But one thing I should note to you is that this laptop doesn't have official drivers. But I don't really care because like the trackpad works, the keyboard works, and even the touchscreen kind of worked like in the installer. I don't know why that happens. Like even when I installed Windows 10 and Windows 11, it worked, and even on Ubuntu and also Hiren's boot CD. This is a really good laptop if you want like Windows 10. Anyways, I'm gonna click enter and enter again, and now this is gonna boot. So I'm just gonna wait for it. Anyways, it just started spinning. Like it kind of takes a while, cause like this, like it's like a pretty slow. It's a cruiser one. So like yeah, it runs, and as I'm saying, it works. Like the touchscreen works like that. So yeah, I'm gonna actually hold the power button down and like completely turn this computer off. Yeah, so I'm gonna install it tomorrow. I don't have like time today. It's like 9 o'clock almost, and I don't have much battery. But I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you watch my next video. Goodbye, and also good night.